Amidst the distant rumble of artillery, a drone hovers while a sniper lurks in the attic of a crumbling house. Modern warfare now plays out from afar, with tank battles becoming less common. In response, military giants focus on developing advanced camouflage. Rheinmetall, a German company, has introduced a rosy smoke defense system for light vehicles. This system uses several 40mm cannons that fire not colorful fireworks, but thick, opaque smoke. The smoke not only blinds the enemy's visual line of sight, but also blocks infrared radiation, making homing missiles ineffective. Activating Rosy takes mere seconds, putting the success of future operations in the hands of the driver or mechanic. If gunfire erupts from the north, the optimal response is to head south, as the system's quick deployment can offer a critical tactical advantage in the heat of battle. Amidst the distant rumble of artillery, a drone hovers while a sniper lurks in the attic of a crumbling house. Modern warfare now plays out from afar, with tank battles becoming less common. In response, military giants focus on developing advanced camouflage. Rheinmetall, a German company, has introduced a rosy smoke defense system for light vehicles. This system uses several 40mm cannons that fire not colorful fireworks, but thick, opaque smoke. The smoke not only blinds the enemy's visual line of sight, but also blocks infrared radiation, making homing missiles ineffective. Activating Rosy takes mere seconds, putting the success of future operations in the hands of the driver or mechanic. If gunfire erupts from the north, the optimal response is to head south, as the system's quick deployment can offer a critical tactical advantage in the heat of battle. Napoleon would have gladly paid a fortune for a portable water purifier like the Geo-Cinch HFD. With this device, his campaign in Egypt might not have ended in disaster. The HFD purifier is designed for NATO troops and can purify both fresh and salt water. To use it, a soldier simply unpacks the case, sets up two hoses, one into the water source and the other into a container, and the HFD purifies the water using electricity. Powered by BB290 DC batteries, it can be charged through regular outlets or with solar panels. Its waterproof design can withstand temperatures up to 60 degrees Celsius. However, it's not exactly compact. If Napoleon had one, he would likely need an extra horse to carry it along. Drones have improved each year, but their propeller frame design has remained unchanged due to its proven speed and stability. However, engineers at Vapor have broken the mold with a compact electric helicopter for the military. The standout feature of this innovation is its impressive flight duration, ranging from 70 to 105 minutes, a significant improvement over drones that typically fly for only 40 minutes. Additionally, the helicopter is equipped with a system for generating 3D terrain maps. While its other specifications are relatively standard, offering a payload of 4.5 to 10 kilograms and a camera quality similar to the DJI Mavic 3, it does come with a sizable case. Carrying such a load on the front lines can make it vulnerable to aerial attacks, making it safer to transport the helicopter on an armored personnel carrier, particularly one based on the indestructible Toyota Land Cruiser 79. Remember the movie The Hurt Locker? Jeremy Renner's character risked life and limb diffusing warheads in a massive suit. Today, robots handle these dangerous tasks. Since 2000, Kinetics has been manufacturing the Talon Android, which has become a trusted tool for law enforcement and first responders. These robots are experts at dealing with both planted explosives and makeshift bombs. Talon has been deployed in Iraq and Afghanistan. And now, the 6th generation models are preparing for production. These mechanical bomb disposal experts roll on tracks and feature a telescopic arm with a video camera, ideal for inspecting under cars or armored personnel carriers. Talon's creators have even shared videos showing the robot surviving blast waves, though they don't reveal the fate of the video cameras on its arm during such explosions. Soldiers often have to carry heavy gear to the front lines, including weapons, body armor, helmets, ammo, food, and medical supplies. While many companies are working on reducing this load, others are exploring exoskeletons to help ease the burden. One such device is the Uprise Tactical Exoskeleton, which requires no batteries or charges to operate. Instead, it relies on solid engineering principles to reduce strain on the back, shoulders, and lower back. During testing, the U.S. Army Special Forces found significant benefits in its use. The exoskeleton doesn't restrict movement, so there's no concern about clunky, slow Terminator-like devices showing up anytime soon. As one artillery designer once put it, a tank is essentially a cart with a cannon, and the RCV EMAV backs that up. This unmanned platform, powered by a hybrid engine, can be adapted with various add-ons. You can equip it with a tank turret, an air defense system, a rocket launcher, or even a telescopic crane. And if you're not preparing for war but still fancy the RCV EMAV, there's even a loader module with a pitchfork to turn your gardening tasks into an exciting adventure. The platform can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour and, with a full tank and charged battery, can cover over 320 kilometers. It's also easy to transport by helicopter or transport aircraft. Now, we'll have to wait and see if traditional tanks will continue to hold their ground. In modern warfare, heavy-duty trucks are just as essential as armored personnel carriers and tanks. Who else is better suited for hauling tanks for repairs or transporting ammo? Rheinmetall has introduced the HX family of 8-wheelers, built on the robust ladder frame of the tested civilian truck. The machine's safety margin ensures it can handle tough off-road terrain. Its smooth ride is due to a suspension system with long rubber springs, shock absorbers, and stabilizers. The HX comes in different versions, some designed for transporting damaged equipment, while others are built for carrying people and cargo. When a job needs to be done, the HX can get it done. Worried about your package getting damaged during delivery? Check out the RMT shockproof capsule, designed to ease those concerns. Drop by parachute wherever urgent items like weapons, medical supplies, radios, or unmanned systems are needed. The capsule weighs 56 kilograms and can carry up to 181 kilograms of cargo. It even has polyurethane wheels for easy ground transport. However, keep in mind that if you're ordering this for your home instead of the front lines, it might just make a hole in your yard. Crossing water obstacles is a significant challenge for advancing forces, often acting as a natural boundary between warring armies. Permanent bridges, in particular, are quickly destroyed by aviation when targeted, leaving soldiers with two options: cross by boat or build a temporary pontoon bridge. Elbit Systems, a manufacturer of engineering solutions, has developed an enhanced design for infantry-friendly temporary bridges. The heaviest component in the kit is a delivery pallet, weighing 630 kilograms, while other elements, including 4-meter sections, pontoons, and the roller water deployment system, weigh just over 40 kilograms. This makes it manageable for 2 soldiers from an engineered troop to drag the pieces to the water. The Elbit Bridge, without additional supports, spans 36 meters and can be assembled by a trained technician in just 10 minutes. For wider water obstacles, pontoons are required. Once successfully deployed, it's crucial to hide the bridge, as the enemy would likely seize it if discovered.
Let's explore both new and established products in the world of military technology, keeping ourselves updated while also delving into history. In 2022, the Skywall Auto system played a key role in protecting participants at the G7 summit from drones, showcasing its unique capability. This system tracks drones using advanced AI algorithms and fires specialized projectiles containing a net to neutralize them. If capturing a drone intact is the goal, it can deploy a parachute. Skywall Auto can target drones moving at speeds of up to 43 kilometers per hour. Its versatile design allows it to be set up on the ground or mounted on vehicles. Additionally, the user-friendly control system requires only one operator, making it an efficient and reliable solution. Last year, the American destroyer USS Gravely had a close call with an incoming missile. Luckily, the Fank CWS system on board acted swiftly, taking down the crew's missile, which was traveling at 965 kilometers per hour. Using its computer system and a quick burst from its M61A1 gun, the Fank CIWS neutralized the threat. This incident made headlines globally, including on CNN, highlighting why the Fank CIWS is trusted worldwide, from the US to countries like Japan and Canada. Though its range is limited to about 1.5 kilometers, it responds to threats in just 1.25 seconds, often outperforming more complex systems like Aegis. With drone technology constantly evolving, new innovations continue to shape the defense landscape.